Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel Program for Hack. And in this video I want to tell you about send message, how you can send message to others, and how you can send message to your saved messages. So first of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, so let's move to our topic. So here we make a function. Let's duplicate this because I don't want to write it again and again. So I will make it to send and remove this and so first of all I will show you how you can send message to your saved messages. So I will give this function name of sending. So first of all you have to access client and after it dot and send underscore message. In send message you have to set two arguments. Okay, first arguments the message you want to send to, this is the man to which you want to send the message, and the second argument is the message. Okay, it's hi and me is sended, and I will comment this and run this, and if I put here send, it will send me message here, hi me is sended. Okay, it's asking me for put a wait here. Stop this. And if you worry about that, I am only telling you how to do this, how to do it. I am not telling how to separate it as a plugin and how to load it as a plugin in an other user bot, so I will also tell you about that, but first I will tell you how it works. Okay, so if I put here dot send, it sended me a message. You can also send message to ID, like I am going to put here AK47, and now it will send me message to where is my ID here. Okay, it's empty now, and I go to my here and I will send, and it's not sending because of some reason. AK47 dot send. Okay, now if I see here, you can see I have sent it the message. So in this way you can send message to a user ID, and you can also send message to groups using their user IDs, and you can also send me message to numbers. If you have a number, you can also send message to number using the number of Telegram ID. Okay, so if I go here and see any group here I have a group of Sajawal hacker, so I will copy this and I go here and paste here, but remember you have to remove this all. It's not a link, it's a user ID, so you have to remove this all, only leaving this. Okay, after slash this. So I will save this and run this, come to my save messages and type dot send, and you can see here. Okay, I think here you can see here hi me is sended. Okay, so in this way you can send message to anyone using this send message command. So I will tell more about telethon in next videos. I have to go somewhere, so I hope you like my this video, and I think this video is no more long. So meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.